Key to this Taycan GTS, goes to steal it, they'll start the car. When they go to put it in gear, you'll see it just keeps going back into park, unable to drive it away unless it sees a PIN code. So what the customer will do is start the car, pop their code in, receive a flash from the indicators, and they can drive away. When they leave the vehicle, the system instantly becomes active, so as soon as they open the door, you see we get an indicator flash, and if someone tries to start it up, they're going to be unable to drive it away without the code straight away. So once again, we'll pop the code in, receive a flash from the indicators, we can select our gear and drive away. If the customer wants to change the code on this system, what they'll do is first disarm it, then they'll press the accelerator pedal 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 2 flashes from the indicators, and now they'll pop their new code in. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll turn the ignition off. We get 1 flash to confirm it's active. Learn the new code. So now we'll start the car, pop the new code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a flash. We can select our gear and drive away. If the customer wants to take this for a service, take it back to Porsche, they want to turn the whole system off completely, obviously don't want the PIN code, want Porsche to be able to drive it normally, what they'll do when they come to the vehicle is they'll turn the ignition on, pop their code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the last one we'll hold it for 10 seconds. Once we've done that, we're going to get 5 flashes to confirm it's in service mode, and we can let go of that button. So now we'll let go of the button. It's in service mode. This means there's going to be no flashing when they leave the vehicle. Just turn it off. The Halo Mini is completely deactivated. It's going to go straight into gear. Porsche are just going to think it's a normal car, whether they need to road test it, service it, move it around the workshop, whatever they need to do. It's just going to be a normal vehicle to them. Obviously, when you get it back, you take it home, you want it secure again. You turn the ignition on, pop your code in, and just like before, on the last press, you will hold it for 10 seconds. And instead of getting 5 flashes, you'll get 2 flashes, sorry, 1 flash, confirming it's out of service mode and the vehicle can now be driven. So we'll just turn it off, open the door, 2 flashes, the system's active. If someone got in to steal it, went to select gear, straight back into park. This is the Halo Mini on a Taycan GTS. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Halo Mini. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.